Manchester City's dominant Premier League leaders are the most expensive squad ever assembled, costing an eye-watering £777 million in total. And the incredible outlay has been backed up by a stellar campaign thus far, with City fighting on all fronts and charging away in the title race. Spending records continue to tumble, and a staggering 42 clubs out of 98 across Europe's top 5 leagues possess a squad costing more than £88 million. Whilst the cost of a squad is often an indicator of performance, the Premier League is skewed slightly in comparison, with struggling Southampton spending more than Inter Milan, with West Ham's squad costing more than perennial Spanish contenders Sevilla and Valencia. Each transfer window surpasses the last as the revenue flooding into the game fills clubs' coffers and drives up the price of players.